Hey guys, you know what time it is? It's unboxing time. I got a lot of packages coming my way, so I thought, you know what? And I still have a couple of packaging here lying around. So I thought I need to hurry because otherwise my room will become a only packages. That's not what I want. So I'm doing probably more or quicker unboxing videos. Normally I would do, once a month. It depends on twice a month, but it depends how many I got. Lately I got a lot. Not sure if I'd be happy with that because I'm a hoarder. It's official now. I'm a hoarder. I hate that word, but it is what it is. So, what do we have here today? Okay, let's start with New Warriors. Yes, I ordered this. I got another New Warriors. This is not the and another New Warriors with Nova and Namorita. I got a classic Daredevil. Very nice. I got something. Yeah, well, I'm not saying new, but I got this one with Kevin Maguire. I believe it's Pat Olive. And I got, wait a minute, only 3 of them, unfortunately. 3 of 4. And I got issue number 2. What is this? Doberman. Okay, let's open up issue 1 because I want to know what is going on. Wait a minute. Give me a sec, guys. I thought it was only 3, but there's more. Okay. Well, Kevin Maguire is always good, so I'm happy to have this. I didn't know it existed. That's why I keep hunting these comics, quote unquote. What is this? Is this a hologram? Doberman. Looks cool. Want to know what's going on? But I have to get the other comics as well. Well. Okay, well, it looks cool. So we'll see if it's also good. I'm only going to review it if I get the complete edition. Otherwise, it's we have this continuation with 4, and I only have 3. It does not work. Anyway, so it's also from Bravura and Malibu, another Malibu comics. Set. I got a classic Superman. I got another classic Superman. I forget the part where he turned into this electrical Superman guy. I guess so. Not more adventures. More adventures in Kandor with the Atom by Carl Kiesel. What happened to Carl Kiesel? Stu and Imonen. Woo! Metallo. Let's open it up. I want to see this one. Carl Kiesel is very good. Open it up. So. I remember the time when Superman was also Superman Red. In the very older comics, I believe that was probably the first time that he turned into Superman Blue and Red. So they're still going with that, even in modern comics. I'm not sure if I like that. Well, it doesn't matter. Because it always feels, a depowering. But I know this is I heard that this this version of Superman is pretty okay. But I'm just not entirely sure because I haven't read that. More Adventures of Superman. I got a lot. That's great. Power Grab. Tom Grummett. Let me put this body in it. I'm sorry. This comic back into the bag. So, put this away. More Superman adventures. Yeah, I grabbed a whole bunch. This is a power suit. What is this? Kryptonian design, polymeric fabric, power microcells, hardware handshake. Okay. Star Labs. More adventures. I got a lot of Superman comics today. Also got this one. So, classic pose, classic Superman, but with Jerry Ordway, Tom Grummond. And we have this. Very cool. Looks like a children's book, but it also starts here. No, continuing here. Oh, damn, I have to sneeze. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. A little bit under the weather, not much. I got more New Warriors. Psionics. I got more New Warriors with Namorita and Nova, called now Chimera. I got more New Warriors with, I don't know who these are. More New Warriors. Jesus. Okay. More New Warriors. Great stuff. I like New Warriors. But I also have a couple of Justice League Europe with Keith Giffen and DeMatteis and art by Bart Sears. You know, I'm going to open this up. Great combo. I'm an old school DC. What am I saying? I'm hunting these comics now like crazy. Look at this art. Holy shit. Fantastic. Nope. Operation Wolf, I remember that one. Great. Night Fox? I forget her name. I'm not entirely sure. She's a Française Power Girl. Oh, what's with the resolution? Here we go. Captain Atom. Woo. Bartzius can draw muscles. Real good. Lots of abs. Grim faces. Hey, Rocket Red. Nice. Yeah. Great stuff. More Justice League shenanigans with Animal Man and Guy Gardner and, you know, Rocket Red. Also by the same team. And more goofiness, like Father and Son. Metamorpho. Damn, I missed these comics. And I got us last. Yeah, classic Punisher Warzone. Damn, really enjoying this old school comics. Guys, yeah, that's it. More stuff coming soon. Probably doing an unboxing later this week. We'll see. I got a big package here. Guys, see you. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.